You probably already know that there are lots of different foods that stain your teeth. Some are obvious and well known. Wine, for example, will stain your teeth if you are not careful about how much you drink and how you drink it. Here are some of the most common foods that will stain your teeth. 1. Coffee. Coffee, especially black coffee, will stain your teeth. Many people will brush their teeth and then immediately go out and grab a cup of coffee on the way to work. Your teeth are porous, which means that they naturally absorb the liquid that you put into your body. The darkness of the coffee can easily stain your teeth, even if you only have 1 or 2 cups a day. You can prevent some staining by adding a little bit of milk to your coffee, which will lighten its color and provide you with some much-needed calcium. 2. Tea. Hoping that it will prevent their teeth from becoming stained, many people will switch from coffee to tea. The problem is, however, because tea is still full of tannins, it will still stain your teeth, depending on which variety you prefer. The darker the tea is, the more likely it is to stain your teeth. If you just can't kick the tea habit, choose green or white over black teas. These will probably still stain your teeth, just not as much as dark teas. 3. Soda. Soda is bad for you on many different levels, but is also very bad for your teeth. Not only does it bathe your teeth in artificial sugar and acid, 2 things that are very bad for your enamel, it also contains dark colors that will stain your teeth, especially if you drink it every single day. While you can probably avoid the staining by drinking clear or lightly colored sodas, you won't avoid the sugar or acid. It might be better just to steer clear of soda in general. 4. Dark juices. Grape and cranberry juice are the biggest culprits. While these juices can help you get your servings of fruit, they are also concentrated sources of dark pigments, even if those pigments are natural. Like soda, they also contain acid, which is notorious for staining teeth. Drinking lighter colored juices could help you avoid these stains. Apple juice, specifically, could help, as the light color may actually counteract and wash away stains left by other foods and drinks. 5. Popsicles. If something stains your lips and tongue, it is going to stain your teeth, too. That means that if you enjoy a popsicle on a hot day, you are probably going to be staining your teeth. Of course, there are lots of different varieties of popsicle. If something has dark coloring, it could leave stains on your teeth. Something light and fresh is less likely to stain, though. Again, most popsicles have both sugar and acids that wear away at teeth. 6. Soy sauce. Fans of Japanese and Chinese cuisine might not be thrilled to learn that too much soy sauce could leave their teeth stained. Any dark liquid has the potential for one of the foods that stain your teeth, but soy sauce especially has the possibility of leaving behind a stain, because it is so concentrated. Use soy sauce sparingly, because it is high in sodium, as well as being a dark liquid. Going easy on the soy sauce could actually help those with high blood pressure, too. 7. Balsamic vinegar. While it might be a healthy alternative to ranch dressing for a salad and can add depth of flavor to a variety of different dishes, like many things on this list, its dark color gives it the potential for staining your teeth. Because it is acidic, it will naturally stick to your teeth, making it even more likely to leave a stain behind. While eating it on a salad could provide you with the vitamins you need in order to prevent staining, using a lighter vinegar in its place could save you the stains. 8. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is a staple in many households. No matter what version you prefer, anything that is tomato-based can stain your teeth. The dark, rich color of the tomatoes indicates that it is high in antioxidants and vitamins that your body needs. You don't have to skip the sauce, you just need to eat a salad beforehand. Greens like lettuce and broccoli will actually create a film on your teeth that will prevent staining from occurring. 9. Blueberries. Like tomatoes, what makes blueberries good for you also make it one of the foods that stain your teeth. Blueberries are one of the best superfoods on the market, but the dark stains they leave behind on your teeth might prevent some people from eating them. You do not have to banish blueberries from your diet. Instead, after eating a handful, Just make sure to swish your mouth with water to help remove the liquid from your teeth. 10. Beets. If you have ever handled a beet, you know how easily they stain everything they touch. If it stains your hands and your cutting board, it is going to stain your teeth, too. Like blueberries and tomatoes, however, beets are really, really good for you. They are packed with nutrients that your body needs, but their staining power is even more potent than the other fruits on this list. Rinsing your mouth after eating usually will not be enough. Brushing your teeth within an hour of eating is usually the best way to prevent stains.